Hey, Jason O'Grady with ZDNet's The Apple Core and PowerPage.org. I just want to demonstrate the cellular data issue and reception issue with the new iPhone 4 antennas. So as you can see here, I'm in a solid area of 5 bars of AT&T coverage, reception. And what happens is, because the new iPhone 4's antenna are external and wrapped around the case, there's an issue when you hold the phone in your hand. So what I'm going to do is just hold it as if I would just be making a phone call, like so. Watch the signal strength go down to 4 bars, 3 bars, 2 bars, and the last two take the longest. They're typically another 30 seconds to over a minute for the very last bar, but you'll see that eventually it'll go down to 1 bar, and if I wait long enough, it'll go to searching ... which means no signal whatsoever. Now, in the interest of time, I'm not going to wait that long. It can take upwards of 3 minutes, but this happens 100% of the time, and it's reproducible every time. So now you'll see if I just hold the phone like so, just with my thumb and fingers as opposed to my palm of my hand, watch the same signal strength indicator. 2 bars, 3 bars, 4 bars, 5 bars. So there you have it. Every time you touch it down here with your hand, it basically goes from 5 to 0 in around 3 minutes. And it drops pretty rapidly. I could do it again, and it's reproducible 100%. Now, one solution is, as I mentioned, to hold it just with your thumb. Another solution is with Apple's new bumper case. A little expensive in my opinion. It's $29, and basically it amounts to some hard plastic and a softer rubber type plastic, but it's just basically goes around the perimeter. So works like this. You take it and just kind of snap it in. But what it does is it covers that metal antenna that goes around the outside of the phone. So once it's installed, you'll see that, again, I get a solid 4 or 5 bars, and if for some reason it actually drops down to 4 with this case. Oh no, there you go, there's 5. Sometimes it will drop down to 4, but because the bumper case goes all the way around the outside, there isn't that same issue. And when you hold it like so, the signal is pretty solid. Now once in a while, like I said, where I am, it will drop down to 4 periodically. There we go. But it's not the precipitous 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 like you see when you're holding the case in your hand. So anyway, there you have it. Clearly an issue with my phone. It seems like everybody else has it as well. We'll see what Apple does. One solution maybe to include this bumper case with it, as it does seem to mitigate the problem. There you have it, Jason O'Grady, The Apple Core, and PowerPage.org.